How to restore or recover Viber messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can restore or recover your Viber messages, whether you have accidentally deleted messages or need to retrieve old chats. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step, so let's get started. First of all, open up the Viber app on your device, and once you're in the app, tap on the More tab at the bottom of the screen, which looks like three horizontal lines. Just tap on it, and after that in the menu scroll down and tap on settings. After you have tapped on settings, in the settings menu tap on account to access your account related settings, and tap on Viber backup to back up your settings. Here you will be seeing if you have any existing backups of your Viber message. If you have been backing up your chats to Google Drive, iCloud, or for Android and for iPhone, you will be able to see restore chats from there. To restore messages, tap on restore and select the most recent backup. Your messages will be restored to your device. So once the restoration is complete, your messages should reappear in the chat history. Make sure to check your conversation to ensure the messages have been recovered. So if you want to avoid losing messages in the future, I recommend setting up automatic backups. Go to the Viber backup and enable automatic backups to Google Drive or iCloud, and that is it. Now you know how you can restore or recover your Viber messages from a backup. So I hope this video helped, and if you found it useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.